how to clear watch history on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, if you scroll down under the account tab, you will see the option for manage all history. Tap on it. Now, in the interface that you will now be led to, simply go ahead and tap on the delete drop down you see there, and if you want to delete all your history, then tap on the delete all time. However, if you want to delete a custom range, then you can tap on the custom range. With this, as you can see, the history has been deleted. So this was about how you can clear watch history on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.